Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm glad you came and I hope you stick around for this video. So in today's video, I am going to be organizing my pantry and my kitchen. As you can see, my pantry is overcrowded, very overcrowded with food, and I am going to come up with some sort of organization system so that I can make it functional in this pantry. So this is what my pantry is looking like right now. I actually organized this maybe about 6 or 7 months ago, and it's back a mess again. So I decided to go to my local Dollar Tree and purchase some containers, specifically stackable containers, so that I can stack things higher, because that's what I'm noticing, that I'm running out of space. As you can see, the pantry is not wide at all. However, it is deep. With that being said, I figured I can stack things like items on top of each other, which would help with me saving space. So what I'm doing right now is I'm basically just clearing out everything in my pantry. My main focus is the bottom two shelves and then the floor area. At the top, I just have two bins that I keep snacks in for my kids, and I'm not really too much worried about up there. And then the second shelf, right underneath that shelf, that's where I keep my dry foods, so like pancake mix, sugar, flour, things of that nature. And that shelf is pretty much already organized. I keep those things in those airtight containers that you can find pretty much everywhere. So what I'll do with that shelf is I'll just organize that shelf and restock some of those dry foods, so like my rice, some pancake mix, and a few other things in some of those other containers. And then I'll just organize those so that they're sitting on the shelf nice and neat. But yeah, like I said, my main focus is those bottom two shelves and the floor area. As you can see, I am still pulling stuff off those shelves. Like, they are really deep. It doesn't look that deep from this video, but they're actually really deep. So without further ado, I'm going to stop rambling and let's get into this video.